Hi everyone! Today I'd like to do a quick tutorial on how to crochet this cute pumpkin. I don't know, I hope you like it. I got one of these twigs from outside and used this as part of the pumpkin. I thought it turned out so cute. In this video I can show you how to crochet this part of it as well, and or you can use this as a as an option, which I thought turned out really cute. Anyways, if you want to see how I do this, please continue watching. Okay, in this tutorial you will need a crochet hook. In this case I'll be using the 5.5mm eye hook, a tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, some twigs, this is optional, and some what do you call these? Polyester fiberfills to stuff the pumpkin with. Today I'm going to use this yarn to create my next pumpkin, which I think will coordinate very well with this. It's the I Love This Yarn Super Soft Super Saving yarn from Hobby Lobby, and the color we're using today is called Suede Shoes. And this is, you won't need the all of this yarn obviously, but this one did come with 252 yards of yarn. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to make a smaller version of this pumpkin, just slightly smaller, not too much smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and do a slip knot on my hook. Okay, and we're going to do a chain of 18. (15, 16, 17, 18). Okay, got my chain of 18. I'm going to chain one more and do a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You got 2 loops on your hook. Go ahead and yarn over and pull through 2. That's the single crochet. Insert your hook through the next chain, pull through, got 2 hooks, 2 loops on your hook, and go ahead and pull through. Go ahead and continue making your single crochet down the chain. Okay, I am approaching my last single crochet in the last chain. Okay, and this is what we have so far. This is going to be how tall your pumpkin will be, basically, and then we're going to continue working. Anyways, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work over. And we're going to continue with the single crochet, and this is going to be a repeat going on forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to do single crochets but into the back loops of each of these chains only. Okay, so we'll do 18 single crochets in the back loops for this next row. And by doing this, this will create the ridges on your pumpkin. This is a very simple pattern. on my very last chain. Okay, that's 18. So that's my second row completed, and I don't know if you can see, but there's like a ridge here from us doing the single crochet into the back loops only of each chain. Okay, go ahead and chain 1, flip your work over, and we're going to do the repeat pattern. Go ahead and do a single crochet into the back loops of each chain. Very simple design. We're going to make about approximately 38 rows of the single crochet onto the back loops only. And go ahead and continue doing that until you reach 38 rows, and I'll come back and show you how to put the pumpkin together. Okay, I'll meet you right back. So I've done a total of 36 rows of the single crochet in the back loop only, and this is how it will look like. So I did 2 rows less because I did a total of 20. I started out with 20 chain stitches, and this one I started out with 18, so I just wanted to cut it back by 2 rows. Anyways, go ahead and cut your yarn. Make sure you leave enough yarn to basically stitch everything together. So basically I cut about this much yarn off. Go ahead and finish off that last bit. And what we're going to do next is to go ahead and sew the sides together. Alright, this is when you'll need your tapestry needle. Okay, and this is how I do this. So line it up together like so. Okay, and stitch it together. Okay. I'm going to go the top 2 loops of the first row, first side, and then the other 2 on the other end, and just stitch it together. Very simple. Go ahead and continue stitching until you reach the bottom, and I'll meet you back here, okay? Okay, I've went ahead and sewed up till the end, and what we're going to do next is turn this inside out, or right side out. So this is going to be our right side out, and stitch very nicely. So what we're going to do is we're going to close one end of this pumpkin. So what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and run your needle through each of these chains along the edge here. See what I'm doing? You do this all the way around, and then we'll be able to tighten it and close it off. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, so just as long as you get through each of these stitches, you should be able to close this out. So it is imperative that you leave a long enough tail to be able to do this, and also the other end. If you don't, that's okay. You can always attach more yarn to your existing tail. Okay, I've reached the other end. Okay. And all you have to do is pull it to tighten, to close up this hole. Okay. See that? So what I want to do is put my needle through here. And I'm gonna close it off or by turning this back inside out and just working a few stitches to close up the hole even more. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it. Oh, this one has like a knot on there. It's okay though, we're able to get through that. But yeah, just securing the end a little bit by doing a few stitches inside out so that you don't make it look, you know, messy on the outside. And just make a knot in here to tie it off. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put my needle back up and turn it inside or right side back out. Okay. Oops. I'm going to put the needle back in. My apologies. Okay. So here you go. It's all closed up. Now is the fun part. You get to stuff your pumpkin and go ahead and grab the whatever you have. I use this polyester fiberfill that I have had forever. You could use whatever you want, leftover yarn, whatever. But I'm using a lot of this fiberfill, making it really full. See that? Maybe it's too full. I'm gonna take a little bit out. Anyway, the next step is to do the same exact thing by closing this up. We're going to weave our needle through the top of this and then we'll be able to close it off. Okay, so do the same thing that we did for the bottom part. Just weave your needle through these chains and we'll be able to close this off. Like so. Isn't this such a fun project? And I love pumpkins. I have pumpkins everywhere in my house during the fall season. It's coming together very nicely. Almost there. Just a few more stitches and we'll have it close off here. Okay, 2 more stitches. Okay, and all we have to do next is put in your stem, your twig, whatever you have, and secure it. This is how I'm doing it. Oh my gosh, isn't this the cutest? Okay, so I'm going to just just make a few more stitches here to secure it up. And then finally put like a knot in here just to secure it off. Oh, shoot. Not sure what happened there. There you go. Kind of messed up. I apologize, guys. Okay. Okay, and you are done. Go ahead, since you made a knot, you can go ahead and just cut it off. And there is your cute pumpkin. Let's see if I can zoom out. Oh my gosh, they're almost the same size. I used the same hook and everything. It's just, you know, I had less chains, starting out chains. But aren't these adorable? These will make great gifts. You can, you know, decorate your home, put some of these around your home. I mean, it's just adorable. And it's handmade. Oh no, I hope you guys enjoy this and find it easy and simple to make. If you guys have any questions, feel free to, you know, DM me. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.